I'm Greg Herrera with Opticity. Today I'm going to show you how Opticity automates the main steps in executing and measuring your casino's direct mail campaigns. Without Opticity, it can be difficult to segment your players, extract your mailing lists, and accurately report on campaign results. Before Opticity, these tasks usually require running complex queries in SQL or Access and then extensively massaging the data in Excel. It's not uncommon for casino marketing people to spend multiple days or possibly even weeks executing this process every single month. Let me show you how Opticity automates these tasks to save you time and resources. First thing I'd like to show you is how Opticity simplifies the tasks of player segmentation and mailing list exports. Here on the Opticity Segmentation tab, marketing managers can access player data without any support from IT and without running any data queries at all. Players are always grouped according to your property's segmentation preferences, and you can see at a glance the up-to-date player counts by segment for the entire player database. With Opticity, when you're ready to execute a mailing, you can extract your direct mail list with a single mouse click. This one click exports the organized and segmented player list directly to Excel. The exported Excel file includes all players grouped by mail segment. For each player, you can get the relevant behavioral and demographic summary data so you can further segment, or if desired, consolidate segments based on other attributes. In addition to each player's ID, name, and mailing address, you can include additional fields. For example, you can include deliverability, restriction, or preference information as a double check to ensure that your filters are working and that you're not mailing to restricted players. Having the list in Excel makes it easy to add additional information like offer codes or offer details for your letter shop to process your mailing. Let's take a look at what the offer assignment process might look like for the first three mail segments. Here's our segment A. We mark each player with the specific offer code. With segment B, we're going to change the code up a bit, more appropriate for their international status. And finally, for segment C, we go back to a more local appropriate offer. Our customers tell us that the Opticity segmentation and mailing list export process is saving them multiple person days per month, time that they're now able to direct at higher value activities such as analysis. So far, I've shown how easy it is to segment your players and export mailing lists with Opticity. Once you've executed a marketing campaign, the next step is to produce a post-Forma analysis to measure the campaign's effectiveness. Here again, without Opticity, it typically takes days or even weeks of time from seasoned SQL and Excel experts to compile all the data and manually assemble a report. As a result, this important analysis step may happen only occasionally, if at all. Now I'll show you how Opticity removes this burden completely. With Opticity, every campaign is automatically measured, and the deep information provided enables you to continuously learn from and optimize your marketing efforts. Here on the Opticity Campaign ROI tab, marketing analysts can specify the time period and the specific campaign they want to analyze. Like all other aspects of Opticity, this happens without the need for any support from IT and without writing any queries at all. By selecting the start and end months, you're able to specify what period of time you want to analyze. You can also search for specific group or offer codes to narrow the results to a specific marketing campaign. Once you have the parameters set the way that you want them, you click Finish to run the report. Opticity takes your parameters and isolates the play and reinvestment expense that match your criteria. You have the option to view your report in HTML or export it as an Excel file. As you can see, the report gives the results for each code selected. It includes both theoretical and actual win, and it also gathers all the expenses associated with each player's visit. Even if the source data is dispersed among your kiosk, your point of sale system, your food and beverage, or your hotel booking system, Opticity handles all the integration so you get a complete accounting of the revenue your promotion generated and the reinvestment expense needed to create that revenue. Opticity's post-Forma report also calculates your profit for each segment. Additionally, it compares your profit to your reinvestment to reveal which segments generated the greatest and the least return on investment. This allows you to easily rank them and prioritize your marketing budget towards your most profitable player segments. I've just illustrated how Opticity automates some of the most time-consuming casino marketing tasks. Saving you time and helping to optimize marketing spend are just a few of the ways Opticity can help your property increase play, reduce costs, and increase profits.